Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to cover some guidelines when applying for an IB partnership. The first step is to log into your client portal. Once you are logged in, you'll see a new menu called Partners on the left side. The second step is to click on the Partners menu. By doing so, you'll be able to view the current list of ongoing applications. The third step is to click on the application you wish to review and agree to the IB application agreement. Once you've read through the agreement and provided your consent, the Submit Application button will become active. Click on this button to complete your partnership application. After completing all the steps, please let us know, and we'll proceed with the approval process. Once your partnership registration is approved, we'll send you an email with instructions on how to use the IB portal. Now that your IB application is approved, let's discuss how to use the partner portal and easily link your sub-customers through the IB link. After your IB application is approved, log into your portal, and in the top right pop-up menu, you'll find options for Agent Portal and Customer Portal. 1 hour 9 minutes 50 seconds, click on Agent Portal, and a new window will open, directing you to the Agent Portal. Don't worry, once you're there, you'll see a dashboard that looks just like what you are viewing now. This dashboard provides convenient access to manage rebates and sub-customers' accounts, giving you all the essential information at a glance. In the Agent Portal, click on the IB Accounts menu on the left side. Then click on the paper-shaped icon labeled Live Link on the right side. This will copy the link to your clipboard. Now, you can simply paste this link into your online content, email, or other messaging platforms. And the customers who sign up through this link will be automatically associated with you. However, if you encounter any issues with the link, due to browser settings or other reasons, and you're unable to see the customers who signed up through the IB portal, don't worry. You can always contact us, and we'll manually link them to your account.